welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we're doing something a bit different. We're going to Koh Chang Island and it's about a 5-hour drive. So yeah, as Chris would say, come along. Quick stop off on the way down. Ah, it's a hot one. Fun fact, Red Bull was invented in Thailand, and if you want to be able to taste colours, drink a full bottle in one go.
Then it's quiet.
It might be raining.
Then it's quiet.
Welcome to this all-inclusive 5-star ferry across the Koh Chang. I mean, it's safe as houses, it really is. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the deck at all. Nothing. Yeah. And the fact that we're swaying left and right whilst we're loading, in fact we're moving without even any notification to let us know that we're going. We're off ski.
We're moving.
Yep.
We're moving.
I mean, this could be like the Royal Caribbean, P&O. on the upstairs. You also have some little food vendors, so you can get coffees, crisps and stuff like that, teas. Another little vendor over here with all your snacks and cold drinks. Hot noodles if you want them. Even a t-shirt. Hey! And this vendor we don't want to know anything about. That can stay there, thank you very much. Exactly. It's perfectly safe.
How is it?
I mean, it's perfectly safe. Not an issue, Emma. Not an issue.
What's stopping me from just going and jumping?
What's stopping you from going jumping over there? Absolutely not. That chain that you can step over, that's what's stopping you from jumping over. Absolutely nothing stopping you if you would like to go. See ya.
I saw a glimpse of coloring. It knocked me off my feet. I thought I saw a spark in your eyes. Desperately and far away, conquered all my needs. And I put all the way aside. Faces come out of the rain, ignoring the sea. We know better now. Let it be. I know we can't hold on, make it all worthwhile. It's the second round through a long defile. Here we are, where fire meets the cold. I'll let you leave, but please come back, 'cause I'll miss you the most.
Welcome to Koh Chang.
Behold.
Look at this. So that's it, we've made it. Sorry I'm sweaty, I've just took all the bags in. But anywho, that's how close to the beach we are. This is where we're staying. It's called Villa of Siam. And if you want to stay here, you can find it on booking.com. We've got the pool. We've got a little patio area. Nice patio area to sit on. You come through the patio doors, we've got the living area. Full kitchen. Then you've got a downstairs master bedroom with the master suite. Then some outside stairs, very unusual. Which takes you to the rooftop terrace. Little table. An outdoor shower. Then it takes you through to the second bedroom with its own ensuite. That's where me and Emma will be staying. And that view. And if you follow me outside again, it's really weird to get all the rooms, you've got to go outside. Take you to Tristan's room. Mosquito net if you want it on a night time. Aircon. And again, full ensuite with a walk-in shower. But that's not it, folks. That's not it at all. Watch this. Back downstairs. cut back across the patio. Ignore this, it's just us drying out a cloth that we used. Go round the back. Oh look, barbecue. Round the back of the building, past the banana trees. Yes, banana trees. At the back, there's only another full ensuite bedroom. Sorry folks, I know I am absolutely melting, but anywho, so that's a look around this villa. It's Villa of Siam. You can find it on booking.com, and I will leave a link to that in the description down below. Highly recommend staying here because, well, look at it. And if you're a beach goer, literally just through there. So there's a mosquito sprayer. They're wearing masks. We're not. So we're going this way towards the beach. You smell it? So that's to keep the mosquito population down, spraying that chemical whilst they're wearing masks. And just like that, we're on the beach. Now be careful of falling coconuts.
Yeah.
Because there's one.
There, there. Ah.
There's one.
So apparently this is for all the bugs, and he's pumping it down through drains and all sorts, so it could be for snakes too, I don't know. But I'm seeing pumping it through a drain, and it's going along here and it's coming out the drains at that side. But I tell you what, it stinks. And like I say, they're wearing masks, we're not. So I apologise for that noise going on back there. Don't know what it is, but get a look this way. Look. So that noise, it's actually bugs because it's starting to quieten down a little bit now. And I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes.